I feel like it's something like, you know, when we change the signal or something. Doing some tests, the video loop I was using for the test had fade transition and stuff like I was wearing, it looked like you vanished into thin air. That's awesome, Beck. I gotta see this. I gotta see this. Is it on live stream fails? You're just messing with people. No, yeah, gee, we gotta see in between, which worked out pretty well. Oh, we're getting closer. Look, we're almost on top of the clouds.
The captain has now turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please now return to your seat and ensure your seatbelt is firmly fastened. Remind yourself of your nearest exit, remembering that it may be behind you. Large electronic devices, including laptops, must now be switched off and stowed. You may continue to use your handheld electronic devices until we arrive at the gate. These may be held in your hand or secured in the seatbelt.
Seatbelt is securely fastened. Hey, Michael, how are you doing? We're about to go through. Look at how close we are. Cinema. If you take a dip in an airplane, the seatbelts do help a lot. I've been on some pretty chunky flights, and I'm not gonna not say that they weren't going out of Sicily. IBON, so I think the ripping is the latency, because I can't deal with low latency, or like I left low latency enabled on my account, which means we've got like, I think it aims for a second, and then every time you buffer, it'll increase it by however much until you end up at like whatever is reasonable for this. So we've got like a second of latency just getting internet off the plane before anything else even happens. So I really should have disabled that. Oh, so cool. We're going through the clouds. Oh, you can see like, that's Victoria underneath us. You guys can see that. Bob's app, it's all green screen. I can't believe the Wi-Fi is A, this good, and B, there's nothing preventing